Start with an inspiring or thought-provoking quote that sets a positive tone for the day. Begin the assembly with a school or community pledge that reinforces values, unity, and responsibility. Allow students to showcase their talents through short presentations, such as sharing their achievements, artwork, or personal experiences. Discuss important news stories or current events to keep students informed about the world around them. Lead a brief exercise routine, yoga, or meditation session to energize students and promote well-being. Engage students with a fun and educational quiz on various topics, encouraging active participation. Invite guest speakers, such as educators, motivational speakers, or community leaders, to share their insights and experiences. Read a short excerpt from a book or share an inspiring story to promote a love for reading and learning. Showcase musical performances, dance routines, skits, or other creative acts performed by students. Assign specific themes to different mornings, such as Kindness Day, Science Day, or Cultural Diversity Day, and tailor the assembly content accordingly. Acknowledge and celebrate student achievements, such as academic accomplishments, sports victories, or community service. Conduct quick science experiments, demonstrations, or interactive activities that pique curiosity and foster a love for learning. Deliver a short motivational speech on topics like goal setting, perseverance, or leadership. Showcase community initiatives, highlight ongoing community service projects, fundraising efforts, or environmental initiatives. Announcements and reminders, share important announcements, upcoming events, and reminders for students, parents, and staff. Remember to keep the activities age-appropriate and engaging, and consider involving students and teachers in planning and organizing the morning assembly to make it more inclusive and enjoyable for everyone.